Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful pink pallu here, very bright shade pink with zari lines. Same pink blouse piece with one side blue borders. A very elegant saree, classy half white, mild sandal mix half white color all over with prints in blue and pink. A very bright blue used for it, as well as the pink is also bright here. Excellent saree, very elegant one with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful green shade, grey and green mixed shade color pallu with same color blouse piece. One side pink borders in the blouse piece, which can be used for the sleeves. The saree here is light dull finish, light green and grey mixed shade color on half white, and we have fully the green shade used for the batik printing here. All over the saree it's been printed, and along that we have pink and yellow used for the rose design, rose and lotus. Very elegant one with the borders also in the pallu color. Different saree, exclusive collection with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa by Tassa block printed sarees, premium quality with elegant color combinations. Here we have a light green color pallu with zari lines and zari border. Same light green blouse piece. Very different combination to the saree. The saree is in cream base color, mild sandal tinge cream, and we have a pink color birds design printed, and the printing is done in a very different increasing and decreasing kind of a staircase pattern. We also have the prints in the top. The borders of the saree is completely in the green pallu color base along with the zari borders. An excellent concept saree with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark burgundy brown color pallu with beautiful zari lines and zari border. Same color plain blouse piece. It's a beautiful half white and brown combination saree. Cream half white color, mild sandal tinge, and all over the motif design is printed. Very different design, the West Bengali tribal pattern motif printed using different colors, and we also have brown prints in the saree. The borders of the saree is also on the brown base. Excellent saree with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. Zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu with pink and red color in the pallu. Prints in both red and pink also in cream color. And we have the pink blouse piece with one side block printed borders and red in the border. Saree have beautiful design, fully blue. Very elegant Ananda blue shade with black printed in the borders, and we also have the red as well as pink in the lower border. Very elegant saree, different color combination and with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. Zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful dual color pallu, grey and blue in the pallu along with the zari lines, and we have the same copper sulphate blue color blouse piece with one side grey borders. The saree here is in cream base with all over printed using pink color. Single peacock leaf, peacock feather design all over printed, and we also have the border design printed using pink. The zari border base is here grey. A different concept saree, the colors are very different with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful black pallu, ink black color with zari lines in the pallu. Same black blouse piece. It's both sides zari borders. The complete saree have the black border with antique finished zari on it. Saree here is in beautiful cream color, half white with sunflower design printed. Both side borders we have sunflower design printed with very elegant green and yellow colors. Beautiful saree, simple and elegant one with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa. And here we have an apple green brighter shade saree with prints all over in maroon color. You can see the Egyptian printing done in the pallu, the pyramid face design, and we have the same color plain blouse piece, golden zari borders all over the saree along with the blouse piece, and we also have a thin border that is also in maroon base color here. Beautiful printing. You can see the pyramids the ancient concept printed. And the saree have beautiful prints all over, a floral and stripes kind pattern all over printing. And the lower half we have the tribal kind printing done. Different saree, very different concept with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. Zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful multicolored pallu. We have rusty orange, pink as well as green in the pallu along with the block prints and zari lines. And a very contrast green. It's a beautiful olive green shade color blouse piece with one side the rusty orange color borders. The complete saree is having the green border for the base of the zari border, and here we have a beautiful colors in the saree. The mid part of the saree is something in a reddish rusty orange color. On the top and the bottom we have pink prints, and the between portion we have the cream portion that is having a green and yellow prints. Beautiful saree, multiple printing, and the colors of the saree is really beautiful with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink pallu with zari lines, and we have a very contrast black blouse piece with one side pink borders. Very light and beautiful pink shade, something between magenta and the normal pink, and we have all over printed design in the saree. Fully it is printed using the Rangoli design pattern. And we have zari borders also in the pink shade. The saree is in cream with prints in pink. Elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a deep maroon and orange color in the pallu. It's a dual color pallu along with zari lines, and we have the same orange blouse piece with one side the deep maroon and brown mixed shade color. The same maroon and brown mixed shade colors in the body. Both sides we have floral design printed using half pile, and we also have the orange base color for the zari borders base. Excellent saree, the floral design, different one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a multi-color pallu, very colorful one, multiple colors, yellow, blue, green as well as blue in darker shade, and pink is given. And the saree's blouse is completely different, deep grey shade, blue is grey. Saree is also here a colorful one. The middle part of the saree is multicolour, painted design, very elegant one with the top and bottom in deep grey with fully printed design in cream. A very colorful, very different saree, an exclusive collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a pink saree with yellow prints. The pallu is also having yellow prints with very elegant zari lines. Same color blouse piece with temple yellow borders in the blouse piece also. The complete saree is having beautiful temple border and putta design which is block printed using yellow. And we have the zari borders in golden color. Excellent pink, always demanded color with authentic silk mark. Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. And here we have a light green color pallu with zari lines, a very beautiful light green shade with same color blouse piece, a contrast blouse piece for the body. Even the prints in the body is also done in the same color, borders as well, zari border base, and the saree here is in beautiful cream shade color with prints that is done in a floral pattern. Vertically it's been done all over the saree. Beautiful design, very elegantly done, a classy pastel saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful blue, indigo blue in a darker shade color pallu with white prints on it, half white used for the printing, and we also have zari lines. And here we have a green, a parrot green color blouse piece, plain one with the blue borders in one side. The saree here is in a beautiful parrot green base with dark green color prints. Beautiful concept, very elegantly shuttle printing all over, and we have the indigo blue base for the zari borders in both sides. Simple and beautiful saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful color combination saree, deep brown and steel blue and green mixed shade color. It is done in a diagonal printing way. can see the colors in the pallu, and we also have zari lines. The same brown color blouse piece. It's a deep brown, complete contrast to the body color. The body also, the printing of the color is also done in the diagonal way. You can see beautifully the prints as well as the coloring of the saree is done diagonally in the top, and the leg portion it is like 3/4 and 1/4. Very beautiful collection. The colors are very beautiful, different combination with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A half white color pallu, a very different color for the pallu with yellow used for the block prints, and we also have zari lines on same half white base. And a very different color, a contrast blouse piece, green and grey mixed shade. Blouse piece it is, and the same green and grey mixed shade as well as the yellow used for the block prints all over the saree. Beautiful and a classy here and there prints also, and we also have a very elegant border design printed. A floral pattern, very elegant saree, a classy collection with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a copper sulphate blue color and brown color in the pallu, along with yellow color also with zari lines, and we have the same blue blouse piece with one side yellow borders. Very different combination. The saree here is in cream base with the brown and yellow green used for the printing. Big floral design and motif design printed. The border design also printed here with the blue color base given for the zari borders. Different saree, very rare combination with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu, dark magenta pink color, magenta pink with mild black mix, and we have black block prints used in the pallu with zari lines, and we have a very contrast yellow blouse piece, goldish yellow color. Saree here is in very deep magenta and black mixed color, almost a purplish violet it is, with beautiful design. Black and yellow is also given in the lower half, which is given for the blouse piece also. Very beautiful and contrast color nature saree with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk sarees, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a royal blue color pallu with zari lines and block prints in the pallu, and we have same royal blue blouse piece, plain blouse piece it is. The saree here having a beautiful zari border all over done using golden zari, and the royal blue base. Top portion is completely plain with the border design alone in the contrast maroon shade color, and the lower half we have the cream color base with the prints which is very different. You can see a girl design, very elegantly it's been done. Excellent concept, bright saree with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful green pallu with light green, light yellow mixed green color base. On it the block prints is done. The same yellow mixed light pastel green is given for the blouse piece here with one side dark green borders. The dark green border itself is a parrot green. You can see the border here. Very elegant design. You can the starting of the chest part, the diagonal design starts, and it almost goes to the 3/4 of the saree inside. You can see the design. It's really beautiful. Vertical part printing in the lower half, and the upper half we have the normal motif design printed. Multiple colors used for it. Beautiful pastel shade saree in a green combination. This is very pretty with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a light green color, cream color base for the prints. It's royal blue used for printing, and we have zari lines, light green color blouse piece with both sides zari border. Complete saree is in cream base, and we have beautiful printing design. The top portion is printed using sea green, rama green color for the buttas, and we have royal blue used for the temple big borders, and we also have pink used in the lower half. The zari borders of the saree is also done using light green, which is in the blouse and pallu. Beautiful saree with colorful prints and authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a brown and black shade color pallu with beautiful block prints, and we also have zari lines which is beautiful and golden color. Same deep brown color blouse piece with one side blue borders. The saree is having a very different combination, blue and brown. You can see the middle part of the saree is completely in beautiful royal blue, and top and bottom we have zigzag pattern as well as the brown color. We also have the zari borders in the brown base. Beautiful saree, elegant and with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a pallu that is in maroon shade with black as well as white used for the block prints, and zari lines is also given. Same maroon blouse piece with one side blue borders. The saree here is in beautiful royal blue, plain one in between, and the top and bottom we have cream and black used for the printing, and the borders of the saree is also in the maroon shade base. Elegant collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have royal blue and prints in the pallu, along with that zari lines also given in the pallu with same royal blue, bright shade given for the blouse piece. It's completely contrast to the body color. The body color is in cream base with yellow prints fully given, and we also have border designs, and the zari border is on the bright royal blue shade. A very different and colorful saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful green shade saree, a very elegant green, parrot green shade with maroon prints on it in the pallu, and we have zari lines also with same light green shade, little lighter shade green for the blouse piece, which is same as the body. Body is very different here. The top portion is completely red base, maroon base with the green prints, and the lower half of the saree is completely in green with the printing in the motif type design. Very different one in a half saree model design, printed very elegantly with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful green saree with green pallu, and we have a deep maroon color shade prints in the pallu along with the zari lines, and same light green shade, little lighter green blouse piece with one side the darker green borders. It's almost an apple green shade with very elegant maroon prints. Brown and maroon are used for the printing. The borders we have a very elegant tribal pattern printed, and the middle portion we have the butta designs, and the saree have a half saree pattern as well. The same printing is done in a vertical way in the lower portion. Different one the printing is done in the half saree model with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful dual color pallu, navy blue and maroon in the pallu with block prints and zari lines, and we have a wine color, deep burgundy and wine mixed color blouse piece, a contrast one. The same color is used for the prints here, and here we have a brush painted design all over the body, and we also have rectangular blue prints and border design also in blue. Very elegant and beautiful collection, a trendy and new exclusive one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a tricolor pallu, blue, red as well as yellow in the pallu along with zari lines, and we have a very contrast maroon blouse piece with one side blue borders. The saree here is in elegant colors. Center part is completely in the sea green color with the maroon portion printed on the cream base, and we also have yellow and royal blue for the zari borders. Very elegant and colorful saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful royal blue color saree with prints in pink color, ultimate contrast combination with pink blouse piece, very elegant blouse piece with both sides a royal blue color border. The complete saree is having royal blue borders with antique finish zari. The body of the saree is pink. Top and bottom we have the same kind of printing, and the middle portion is printed closely with the royal blue shade, mango design. Really beautiful saree, a colorful, excellent collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu. The complete saree color, the pallu color is in a very different light green shade. Excellent different shade it is. sea turquoise and sea blue mixed shade color. And we have the prints in the choco brown color. We also have zari lines in the pallu. The same colors, the blouse piece color also here. Plain blouse piece with both sides zari border. The complete saree is having the same color concept with the top completely a printed one. Choco brown color is closely printed here with both horizontal and lines pattern. It is a like very beautiful design, trendy one. And the lower half is completely printed with the floral and a different design, which is also done as using the choco brown and blue. Beautiful saree, very different block print here, which done exclusive pattern with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful cream pallu, a rare color in the pallu with block prints all over along with zari lines. And we have a complete contrast pink blouse piece, ultimate contrast blouse piece it is. The saree here is in cream base itself, sandal finish color. All over the pink is used for the printing, mild floral design printed all over. And we also have the border designs which have black, pink and blue shades. Elegant saree, very different one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. Zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have very different block print done in two different colors, the yellow and green, instrumental playing design, and we also have zari lines as usual in the pallu. And we have a deep blue shade, almost a navy shade blouse piece with one side red borders. The saree completely is in red and a half white shade. The center part is completely a maroonish red color with temple border as well, and cream portion is given on both sides of the saree with the block prints. That is the instrumental playing design, ethnic beautiful design. And we have the blouse color, the deep blue color for the zari borders. Excellent saree, a very beautiful one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful zari lined pallu along with block prints, and we have blue base, a deep blue color, and we have a copper sulphate blue color blouse piece with one side deep blue color borders. The saree here is in cream base itself with the Buddha face design printed in the body. Both dark blue and copper sulphate blue is used alternatively for the printing. And here we have a beautiful village concept, a full village tribal concept is printed in the both sides. One at a row at the top and two at a row at the bottom using red. And the borders of the saree, the zari border base is in also in the copper sulphate blue color. Different saree here with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful peach shade color pallu with zari lines, an excellent color with same color blouse piece, plain blouse piece with both sides zari borders. The saree is very beautiful cream with prints which is in a half and half type. Top printing is completely done using green and the lower half it is using red. Beautiful mango design, all over printed one with the zari borders in golden base with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful deep blue, it's almost a navy blue shade color pallu with pink portion in the pallu vertically given. We have zari lines as usual, and we have the zigzag lines portion also which is block printed. And we have a pink blouse piece, running color, body color with one side the deep blue block print design. The complete body portion having the borders in the deep blue, the navy blue shade. Antique zari is given, and the saree here is in beautiful pink, almost a magenta pink shade with a triangle pattern running in the lower half of the saree, which is in the blue. We also have the polka dots design done in the printing. Cream is used for the polka dots. Different design, it's really different with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful light radiant green shade color saree and same color pallu with zari lines and beautiful block print design done using the blue shade in the pallu. And we have light green, it's almost an apple green shade with one side a beautiful deep brown color borders, some maroon and brown mixed border. On it, the antique zari is used here for the zari border. The complete saree is in apple green with maroon prints, very different prints it is. and we also have the blue given in the both side borders. In the lower part of the saree, this is a half saree model kind. The lower part have different type of printing in the same color, but all over it's being printed. Blue is used more in the lower part. Excellent saree, very different designing with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. Zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have an orange, rustic orange color pallu with black base for the prints, multiple colored prints it is, with grey color blouse piece. On one side we have the border which is in orange. The complete saree is having orange borders and grey body. Beautiful plain body with only the lower half having prints. And when it goes to the leg portion, it is almost half and half printed. Very elegant saree, beautiful prints in contrast colors, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a brown pallu with cream color used for the block prints, and we have zari lines. The same brown blouse piece. The saree here is in very beautiful design. A base color in cream itself with yellow here and there used for printing. Mild print as well as the leaf printed in the saree using brown, and we also have the borders which is having very elegant print. Different and exclusive saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful royal blue shade, little lighter shade royal blue with zari lines in the pallu, and we have a contrast light parrot green shade for the blouse piece, completely contrast to the body and the pallu. And the saree here is in cream color. This is the extension of the pallu which comes almost near the chest part, and we have the complete body which is cream with the prints in blue and light green shade. Borders are also given in the blue. Very elegant collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful royal blue color pallu with prints, very different leaf design printed all over, with the rustic orange color blouse piece, the body color one with one side blue borders. The saree here is beautiful and bright, royal blue and rustic orange. The rustic orange between having palm leaf designs, and the both side royal blue have the leaf pattern very elegantly printed using cream color. The combination of the saree is very attractive, very bright and rare one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue shade pallu, so light turquoise blue with zari lines and block prints using the cream color, and we have same color blouse piece with one side royal blue prints. Complete sarees in the shades of blue, green mixed turquoise blue, as well as the body of the saree is royal blue with prints in very different yellow and cream color, half white, all over printed one with very elegant design, and comes with authentic silk mark.